Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to transfer your Cardano from XMO to KuCoin in 2025. If you're looking to move your crypto assets between exchanges, this step-by-step tutorial will make it easy and secure. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both XMO and KuCoin. Double-check that your Cardano is in your XMO wallet and that you've enabled two-factor authentication for added security. It's 2025, so let's stay safe out there. Step 1. Log into your XMO account. Head over to the wallet section and select Cardano, ADA. You'll see an option to withdraw, click that. Now, you'll need the receiving address from KuCoin, so open a new tab and log into your KuCoin account. On KuCoin, go to your wallet and find the deposit section for Cardano. Copy the ADA deposit address, it's usually a long string of letters and numbers. Pro tip. Always verify the network is set to the correct one, like the Cardano mainnet, to avoid any transfer issues. Back on XMO, paste that KuCoin address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of Cardano you want to transfer, but remember to leave enough for any network fees. Review everything carefully, amount, address, and fees, then hit confirm. You'll likely get a confirmation email or SMS, so keep an eye on that. Once the transaction is initiated, it might take a few minutes to an hour to process, depending on network congestion. Head back to KuCoin and check your wallet to confirm the arrival of your Cardano. If it doesn't show up, don't panic. Just wait a bit and double-check the transaction on a blockchain explorer like CardanoScan. And there you have it. You've successfully transferred your Cardano from XMO to KuCoin. Always be cautious with crypto transfers, as they're irreversible. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more 2025 crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.